Let's just say you went on vacation and your grandma only knew how to take vertical pictures. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. You first come up here to the crop tool and you select the edge and make the picture as wide as you want. Once you have the right size, you come up here and click on the rectangular marquee tool, and you're going to select from top to bottom this entire transparent area. I like to have a little bit of overlap on the picture itself. Then you're going to click Generate Fill. You don't need to fill in the prompt. The AI will know what to do. Click Generate. Down below, you're going to have a couple different variations it gives you. So there's 2, and there's 3. I like 3, so we'll go with 3. Now your vertical picture is no longer a vertical picture. It is a nice, clean ratio. Now let's say we want to have a little fun. I have this beautiful picture of Snoop Dogg that I'm going to just place right in the middle here. What I'm going to do now is the same basic thing as I did for the other picture. Okay, you're going to come up here and select the rectangular marquee tool, and you're just going to select slightly inside of the picture of Snoop Dogg. Now, because we want to fill in the space outside of this, we're going to hit invert selection, and now you can see the ants are crawling on the outside and the inside here. That means all this space in here around him is going to be filled. Next, you're going to hit Generative Fill, and just because this is Snoop Dogg, I'm just going to give it a basic direction and just type in dog. We're going to generate this and see what happens. Yeah. All right. So if you learned something, please like and subscribe. Comment if there's any ideas you have for me or you got any questions. Other than that, I'll see you in my next video.